Hello, learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar, and we are here in the series of sharing job openings for DevOps and SRE engineers. So, this is the third video um, of today. I shared opening for Flipkart SRE role, and then I had to recreate one video because I it got accidentally deleted, and the opening was for Zoom DevOps engineer for the web DevOps engineer and senior DevOps engineer Kubernetes expert. And this is another video I'm uploading again. And I know and I understand this is going to impact a lot on my YouTube and YouTube videos views. But I don't really care about that. As long as my learners are getting job opportunities, they are getting interview calls, I'm happy with that result more than what YouTube views. Okay, so that is the truth. Let's see how many of you get job offers soon. And I'm eagerly waiting for that day when my Discord start flooding with the messages where people will share that from your videos, YouTube videos, we got to know about this opportunity for the DevOps engineer role, DevRel role, or SRE engineer role, and we finally landed for the that interview and also secured the job offer. So those are the days I'm waiting for. I'm not waiting for um, the days where my YouTube will skyrocket. That's not our goal. Okay, coming back to this video, I'll share the job opening. This is the job opening which is shared by one of my learner in our Discord community, and is for Equinox. Okay, so Equinox is a zero trust Synapse provider. The job opening, they have multiple job openings, but today we are going to talk about DevOps trainee job opening. This is a remote position, so you can work from anywhere. Okay, the role or the title is DevOps trainee, SaaS security. So it is cyber security based company or SaaS security based company. So you will need to have some basic understanding of the security. Their mission at Equinox, our mission is to make it easy for organizations to achieve visibility, compliance, and security in their cloud native assets. We offer industry leading zero trust cloud native application production platform. So they provide zero trust cloud native application security, which is CNAP platform. And Equinox is core contributor to Kubernetes runtime security solution, KubeArmor. Correct. So they have their own product KubeArmor, and they are core contributor for that. I'm not sure, but maybe they are the one who started that project and maybe um, handed over, or contributed it to CNCF. I don't know the exact story, but you can check that out. It's a very popular CNCF project, I must say. Econas was developed in partnership with SRI, Standard Research Institute, and is anchored on seminal invention in the areas of container security, anomaly detection, data provenance, etc. Most of you might have heard about this product. Okay, so if not, before going for the interview, definitely read about their products. The responsibility. You will need to collaborate with developers, team leads, management to understand DevOps requirements and software issues, and then develop and implement solutions for them. As a SRE, you will actively contribute to ensure uptime and reliability of applications and cloud infrastructure. Proactively monitor, resolve, and track SR issues, research and conduct POCs, optimize DevOps and product performance, improve stability, and resolve issues if any. You will need to be available 24/7 and should be comfortable with shift work. So, this particular role will have on call shifts, and they are into very early stage, so you will need to be available 24/7 as well. Document SOPs, standard operating procedures and solutions, conforming to best practices in network administration and cyber security. The requirement is very simple. They want someone who have the Linux knowledge, your CI/CD tools, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, configuration management tools such as Ansible, infrastructure as a code tool, Terraform, cloud provider, AWS, Azure, or GCP is fine. Scripting knowledge, Bash or Python. And that is what they have listed here. Linux system administration knowledge, then Terraform, cloud platform, either of this is fine. SQL DB knowledge, experience working on SQL DBs such as MySQL or Postgres, Docker and Kubernetes, GitHub knowledge, then Python and shell script. This is must for them. Then Splunk, Prometheus, Grafana, centralized logging collection using tools like Grafana, ELK stack, experience provisioning, deploying, monitoring, maintaining code of large hosted platforms in a microservice environment. If you have any of this certification, it is going to be plus. AWS, GCP certification, Terraform certification, then CKD, CK certification, RSC or RSCSA certification, knowledge about Helm and Customize. Guess what? Yesterday and day before yesterday, I released simple video to teach Helm and Customize. Within 30 minutes, you will get enough understanding to clear this kind of interviews. Then CKD series, I have already videos on my YouTube channel. There is a free CKD series. CK series is ongoing, so you can watch that. Terraform, um, there are challenges on Terraform, AWS, or Kubernetes, Python, shell scripting in our season one challenges. So that is why I keep on telling you guys that start solving the challenges from our season one and season two and watch videos. So this is a one place where you will get all the information. You get the resources, you get mentorship, you can directly connect with me during our community calls, you get real world projects and real world challenges which will help you to nail those interviews. You can prepare for the certifications, and if you are active contributor and learner, you get references as well. What is interview process? Once your resume is shortlisted, you will get a take home assignment that will be based on writing some scripts, shell script or Python script, create GitHub actions for CI/CD, and some questions around Kubernetes as well. Okay, followed by three technical rounds. Um, this will be totally on the take home assignment which you wrote. So make sure if you get a call, you solve the assignments properly, understanding why are you putting that particular part of the assignment or solution into the solution submission. You can expect some questions around GitHub actions. Then they are going to test you whether you really have knowledge or you use ChatGPT or some other tool to complete that assignment. Followed by there will be third round is going to be with CTO of Equinox and HR. So they may ask you about Equinox products, why you they should hire you, and then if you know about Equinox and anything around your resume as well. Okay. So for internship, they are providing 30,000 per month. Based on that, and as I think I believe that for DevOps trainee or full-time employee, the package will be actually good, and it's a remote opportunity. So, anyways, you are going to save a lot of money on that part. You can check that uh, check all this information here. So they are looking for someone who have experience of 1 0 to 1 years. So this is freshers role, and salary mentioned is 10K, but I believe they are growing startup, and if you are right good candidate, then they will provide you really good package since they are offering 30K for the internship itself. You can learn about Equinox from all these links here available. And before going for the interview, you can learn about their core values. Yeah, that is all which I wanted to cover. Now, as I mentioned in all my videos, let me come back here. So, as I mentioned in all my videos, for active learners and contributors, I'm going to help you with a reference. And only if you have solved enough challenges from season 1 or season 2, then I'll talk to my connection and help you with a reference. For everyone else, if you don't want to put efforts in upskilling or solving the challenges, you know where to apply. Go to Equinox career site and you are free to apply directly and take your chances. That's up to you. Okay, so that is all for today's video. Thank you very much. See you soon.